Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to have some fun. It is a dugout suite, ladies and gentlemen. Those are those suites that you see on television right behind home plate. This is a dugout suite. 1,000 go on this vacation at 1. Got it. Thank you very much. 1,000 go to 1,500 now. Raise a bid at 1,500. So I'm looking for 1,500 now. 1,500. Got it in the back. Thank you, sir. Can I help you out here a little bit? All right. Would you go 1,950? Yeah, I knew he'd do it. Got it. Yes, yes, yes. Got it. Thank you very much. You going to 2? We go to 1,200? Got it. 1,200. Thank you very much. At 13 now. $1,300. We go to 13. Is she in at 13? You got it? Got it, girl. That's it. Thank you very much. At 13. So you're out. You need $1,400 now to get 1,400. $1,400. What do you think? 1,400. I got 13 over here. Need 14 out of here. 1,400. Got it, and a girl, $1,400. I go to 15 now. Thank you very much, sir. 16, you're out. Need 17. 17 out of you, Michelle. Thank you very much. You go to 18, sir. $1,800. We go to 1,800. 1,800. Got it in the back. Thank you very much. That's great. 1,800 now. 19 now. 19 in the back. You're out at 19. Got 1,900. I know she wants it. Here we go. We go to 2,000 now. We go to 2. 2 into 2, 2, 2. I have 1,900 in the corner. Sold, sir. Great buy. $2,000. Good job, sir. On behalf of the Cleveland Hearing and Speech Center, you are all magnificent. Really magnificent. Thank you so much for your heartfelt donations. You are making such a difference in infants' lives. Thank you.